So I'm pulling the motor because let me see if I can get it, because I never got to explain, but this tensioner, this hole right here is completely stripped out, and I already tried doing everything that I can, JB weld and stuff, and that is not working. So that's really why I'm building the B20, so that I could have this car running, because this car only ran probably like 3 times since I got it, and it ran like complete ass because timing wasn't in time. So yeah, and I'm gonna be reusing oil pan, the alternator starter, reuse this transmission because it feels like the one that came with the car, but there was a spare transmission in the car, feels like that one is locked up. So yeah, but getting the axle off right now. Oh, this makes it everything is harder now.
That'll probably be the last thing you touch. So.
Yeah.
Linkage. I am unplugging this shit.
Well, I guess let me get.
Wide band has been, or narrow band has been undone.
Narrow. This is what happens when you.
Now it is an example. An example of a fucked up car.
Yeah, because people want to take clean cars and race them, apparently.
Yeah, why do you, man? Every car starts out as a clean car, so.
Yeah, and then you let niggas with do-rags.
Niggas.
you let people ride in them, and they start feeling like they
feel like they talking to me.
They start feeling like Shingo Shoji and shit.
Yeah, like nigga, I can drive. What you talking about?
And they start doing some mess.
All right, so everything right.
We're getting pretty far though. This is like probably like 30 minutes of work.
It don't take much.
It's like an RX-7, you know. Just kind of.
Oh my god, this shit was even tight. What was the point?
Race car. Remember,
No!
everything is race car.
If you're gonna do it right, remove the whole thing, not just leave it loose. Like what the like?
Keyshawn, this was a race car. You know they didn't have time.
I don't give a damn. What? Was this you?
Yeah, no, yeah.
I'm about to
that was whenever we had the light out here.
I'm about to lose my shit. I'm like, why is this shit in here?
Yo. How much can this AC stuff sell for?
I don't know if people still fucking
I
use
do.
the original shit.
Oh.
I think they just retrofit some other shit. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think you should keep it just in case you feel like
No. I'm tired of y'all. I'm tired. I'm tired of hearing bruh, y'all need to keep your AC, bruh. Like this old ass AC, bruh. Like I literally told y'all, they sell kits for like $500. It runs on the electric or whatever, the electricity of the car. Just have a good alternator. You don't lose no power whenever it's on. If you really care about AC, I ain't doing no bullshit ass. All this lines and mess. Horsepower stealing bullshit.
Jesus,
like y'all. That's AC too?
Yeah, it's your high. This is your high line.
Yeah.
The other one I just moved was your low.
Yeah, no. Fuck that AC shit.
Oh yeah, that shit's fucked.
Okay. We could
had this shit zip tied, like. Yeah, we fix it later.
Yeah, I was about to say, you know, this front end we could weld up later on, because I don't want to do it now.
No, it can't be saved. Sorry.
We have
No, that won't fit.
Yeah, it won't fit for the literally the same car.
Yeah, I gotta undo this bullshit because you know.
Yeah, race car. Everything is just race car, bro.
Oh my god, there's another one.
Bullshit. Axles took forever because the other one didn't want to come out. Josh somehow has a Z. Alright. But yeah, we need to try And finish getting these spot welds drilled out though, so we can get this front end off and pull the motor. All right, so destroying the front end even more.
Yeah.
POV. I almost cut my fucking hand off. Yeah, I get that. Yep, this is how you get pinch welds off, I guess. What the hell?
You only have one on this side?
That shit almost fucking knocked my fucking leg off.
You got this one, dude. I need to get one.
That shit was like $30.
Word?
Yeah, that shit was cheap as fuck. Pretty damn good too.
Well, Harbor Freight?
Oh. It was on Amazon. Keyshawn told us about it, and then, you know, wait. That's right, I don't have to do that because the whole shit coming off. What am I doing? Silly me. Alright, so where else do I need to drill? I need to drill here. God damn, there's like 4. Fuck. Yes. That's about as deep as it's going. Yeah, that's basically how deep it goes. And these, fuck. Oh,
Yo,
shit.
you straight?
Yo, it was this. It was this, bro.
Yo.
Cause I slipped. Cause look, it moved forward, and then like I slipped. Hey, bro, gotta work with your shoes on. I don't ever be wearing no fucking shoes though. At least when I come outside. God damn. I ain't gonna lie, that's like a bad habit. I should be throwing on slides. Yeah. Not ideal for working though. I be having shit smack my fucking leg and shit. You wanna try? I think there's another, yeah, that one right there.
Go ahead and get my fat behind.
I'm turning black. Yeah, no, the one above it? No.
Oh.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, it's not as easy as it looks.
Yeah, get up in there, boy.
Alright, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I'm really gonna have to. Hold on. Oh my gosh, man.
You don't have to push it like, you don't have to push hard, just kind of like lightly. Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Just do it till it ain't really, I guess, cutting through anymore.
Very straight. Okay. Gosh, that was horrible. I mean, it gets the job done. Okay, straight. Should be.
Alright.
Alright. Get the smacking and cranking.
Right back to the chisel. Alright. Pull up. Let me get it like right here. I think like that.
There she blows.
God damn it.
Yo, you went straight. Oh my god.
Hey, it'll be good. It's fine.
It's fine. It's a Civic. It'll be just fine.
That's what it's for anyway. God damn. This is a little bit harder because... Okay. Try not to cut my hand. Try not to cut my hand off, boy. Yes, peel back. Get up. Yeah, this side's a little bit harder. Cause it's not like already kind of like lifted up. Sound tired, bro?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh. I mean, you could leave if you want. I gotta get this front end on.
712.
Right there is lifted, but.
Yeah. I guess I'll be heading my way there.
Alright.
Alright. Bro.
Alright, then.
Alright, man. You gotta, how many more pinch rolls you gotta do?
Actually, hold on.
Those.
These. Yeah, really, it looks like just this and these.
So what you about to, you just taking this off? You not even work, like, you throwing it, oh.
Yeah, these, cause this is holding on to the frame.
You got another fender?
No.
You gonna mount the other one to this one?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna try and, basically we're gonna, basically get that as straight as we can, cause that wasn't like the whole piece. It was just kind of like up to here. So we're gonna try and save that, and we're gonna re-weld back on.
Alright.
Yeah, the other one. Yep.
Alright, then move some more there.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, I'm pretty sure I got this side like basically off. I need to finish doing that though. But yeah, this is pretty off. And I'm doing this side. Just drilling it out. And then I'm gonna split it. Then I'm gonna do this. And yeah, that's basically it. And then the whole thing should come out. Alright. Fucking finally got the front end basically off. It's just holding on to like right there. But I might just cut that. Yeah, I might just cut that. But yeah. So front end basically off. Now pretty much just need to get the shift linkage down and undo the motor mounts, and we can just pull the motor straight out. And Tuesday everything should be here. And yeah. Finally got everything off. I just dropped the shift linkage. Now I'm about to get ready to get the motor out. Just need to undo these and the T bracket mount, and That's already loose. Let's do that. And I think everything else is disconnected except for this. I need to do this. Get that one off. And I think that's about it. So yeah. Emptiness. About to pull the oil pan off. And the oil pump for the other block. Just got done taking off the oil pump and the oil pan. That's pretty much all I'm gonna use, like I said. So about to take them to Keyshawn's house with the new block, and I guess that'll be it till we rebuild it sometime next week, because that's when everything comes in. So yeah.